This is not just the future of cars, this is the future of everything that moves. Hello guys, welcome back to DriveSphere. Today, we are at Arnold Next, and what you're about to see might completely change the way you think about vehicles forever. Behind me, we have icons like the Mercedes-AMG One and the Maybach 100 Years Edition. But today, it's not about luxury or speed alone. Today, it's about technology that will control the next generation of mobility. Right here, we're talking about Arnold Next technology, a system that is not only designed for car manufacturers, but also for trucks, aviation, agriculture, yachts, and even military applications. And yes, you'll understand why in just a second. Let me open this beautiful wing door and show you what makes this so special. Arnold Next is all about full-by-wire control. That means there is no mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the wheels themselves. Everything is controlled digitally, safely, precisely, and intelligently. And this is where things get crazy. I have this device right here. It looks like something you'd use to control a toy car, but in reality, it feels more like playing GTA in real life. With this wheel, I can steer left and right, pull to accelerate, push forward to brake, and on the touch screen, I can control everything: windows, indicators, horn, and more. So let's activate the truck. Just like that, I steer left to broken bar and there it goes. We'll carefully avoid the Maybach over here, especially the 100 Years Edition, and make a full spin to the left. Look at that steering movement. 2 fingers. That's all it takes. Absolutely incredible. And yes, we'll also avoid the AMG One. Don't worry, this entire truck can be operated from hundreds of meters away, fully remotely. This is not a concept. This is real, working technology. Arnold Next calls it, "We control what moves." And they mean it literally. What makes the system revolutionary is that it's a modular platform. It can be installed into almost anything: cars, trucks, boats, yachts, agricultural vehicles, and even aircraft, as you can see from the tornado behind us. Over here, you can see the Next control module itself, machined from aluminum, and behind the steering wheel, you'll notice something important. There is no mechanical linkage. Everything is steer-by-wire. Now let me show you how this works inside a car. We're using a Tesla here as a demo. If I turn the steering wheel now, nothing happens. But once I activate the Next system, a broken bar, boom, a new touchscreen appears, and now the system is live. We can set different steering ratios: 170 degrees for comfort, 360 degrees for extreme control, or even 90 degrees, where just a small movement gives you full wheel lock. You can adjust sensitivity so precisely that you can steer the car with one finger, just like in a Rolls-Royce, or make it heavier for a more sporty feel. Now check this out. Using the Next gap, I can control the entire vehicle. Indicators, instantly activated. Windows, one tap. RAM, folding out. Suspension, automatically lowering. The response time is insane. I can even put the vehicle into drive, reverse, or park remotely. I can honk the horn, open and close doors, fold the ramp back and the door closes automatically. And that's not all. This system also supports voice control, multiple languages, hands-free operation, blinker on, blinker off, volume up, wipers, cruise control. Everything responds immediately. This technology is especially powerful for police fleets, convoys, and agricultural vehicles. Imagine controlling multiple vehicles at once. Steer the lead vehicle, and the rest follow exactly the same path through cloud-based synchronization. And of course, safety is taken extremely seriously. Right now, we're on a test bench demonstrating fail-safe and fail-operational systems. Even if a connection is interrupted, the system continues to function. Warnings appear, LEDs light up, sounds alert you, but you never lose control. This system meets the highest safety standards, including ISO 26262 and IEC 61508, the gold standard for automotive and industrial safety. So yes, this is not just innovation. This is the foundation of autonomous driving and future mobility. Guys, thank you so much for watching DriveSphere here at Arnold Next. If you want to see more insane technology that literally controls everything that moves, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.